Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing ContextMinds, a tool that helps you to organize your ideas to create better content for videos, social media, blog, etc. The tool is pretty good and they just ran out of codes on AppSumo and they are back here. It costs $69. I'm seriously considering to buy it, and you get the lifetime access to the tool with some limits here of related keyword research and questions per month, and also web results per month. Here you can see the dashboard and everything's pretty simple. Just come here to add your idea. You have here some suggestions that you can use or not. But let's say you want to research about AI copywriting. Just add AI copywriting here, and you're going to receive many suggestions about that topic that you can use to create your blog posts. Okay, so for instance, what's AI copywriting? You're going to find here for sure. You can see here New Patel. So it's pretty simple to find the SERP and relevant topics using that. And then you can keep going writing topics that are good for you. You can, for instance, searching for copywriting, and then you can narrow your topic to AI copywriting. So you can explain first what's copywriting, and then you go and explain what is AI copywriting. Now I'm gonna click here on the plus button with a blank screen, and you can see that I can, find a new topic. I also will get suggestions here of topics, but I'm gonna select that first one here, mathematical optimization. I don't know anything about that. You can see that I already get content about mathematical optimization when I click on the topic, but I'm gonna add it to start with it. And you can see that automatically after I added the topic mathematical optimization, I'm gonna receive some suggestions related to that main topic, that is mathematical optimization. So I can just drag and drop the topics that I need, the keywords that I want to write, and link them if they are related, of course. So let's say that I want to research about mathematical optimization in machine learning. I can just add the machine learning as a subtopic, and then I know that I'm gonna write about mathematical optimization, the concept. Okay, here I'm gonna find content about machine learning. Then I'm gonna go to write about mathematical model. Let's say I need to write about random variable, artificial neural network, and computer science. Let's say game theory. I'm gonna delete that one. You're gonna find using the tool the keywords that you need to cover all that topic, and then you can just link all of them in a way that it will make sense for you as a context. So you're going to use the tool to discover relevant keywords for your topic and to receive content directly clicking on the keywords. As you can see here, you get content from SERP. It's pretty good to start your brainstorming, and then you can use your AI copywriting tool to help you to paraphrase the content you already received from SERP. I think it's a pretty good tool. They don't have many features, but they already have SEO search, and the limits are good, and you get everything with one code. So if you need a tool to help you to organize your ideas and receive some content from that, and also if you like that kind of mind map strategy to write blogs, I think it's a pretty good deal for you. They just arrived on AppSumo. I think the outcome is good, and I do recommend it. Thank you so much. I hope you liked that review. Thank you. Bye bye.